Hi, my loved ones. It's Pamela. I want to show everyone how I make my coffee with using Starbucks, the original blend medium coffee beans. I bought this Cuisinart. It's a coffee grinder from Macy's. I got it on sale for like $45 about a few months ago. This is the top lid. Okay. And it comes with the little cup with the lid. It has the blades inside. So what I do, I leave the plug. I don't unplug it until I actually put the beans in. Let me show you how to make it. You have to make sure that it's locked when you put the cup in. You hear it click and that it'll lock first. Okay. Then, well, actually, I plug it in after I put that cup up there. And that's how I do it. Then I take my coffee beans. Inside the measuring cup, it goes up to 12 cups. So I pour the... And the aroma is awesome. Awesome. So I'm filling up now to like about 6 cups, just for purposes of the video. All right. And then just the lid goes right just directly back. It's just so simple. Then there's a level here. And now you just... And you can grind the coffee to the consistency that you want. Okay, and I just do it a few more times here. All right, and always unplug it for safety. Okay, and then I move this here, and it's just sort of to let everyone see what it looks like. And this is how the coffee comes, and it's the aroma. Oh my God, it's awesome. All right, so then I'll get the coffee cup, the coffee maker. All right, we'll get that all plugged in here. I always think I'm gonna get electrocuted, so that's why I always plug things in after the fact. Okay, so now like I said, there's a lid that comes with it. What I do, I put the lid on and I put it in the refrigerator when I'm done. So I take and I just spoon it in. I already have a filter inside my paper filter here inside of my coffee maker. And it's just me. I'm just only making enough for myself. So what I do is I just use about 5 tablespoons. Okay. And then I put the lid on and I put it in the refrigerator so it stays fresh. That's just how I do that. Okay. And then I take... And we'll get some water going here. And I tell you, in the morning, if the freshest smell in your house is the smell of the aroma of the coffee. And I fill up my coffee pot so I like my coffee kind of diluted. I don't like it extremely strong. So I have about 5 tablespoons of the Starbucks coffee in here. And I only use about 7 cups of, I fill it up to like right before the 8 line. And off it goes. All right. Well, if everyone enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe, and I'll be looking forward to making other videos, show you some of the foods that I cook, and I want everyone to have a good evening. Thank you.